Good morning, guys. At the moment we are here in Warata. I actually leave the van at the auto electrician. Over that side. Basically, he's going to change the cable that is connected to the battery. Because there is one incident before where I saw a smoke, and then when I touch it, it's melting the cable. And so I went there right away in the auto electrician to fix it. But of course, here in Australia, they don't fix it right away because they are busy. So you need to book. And this is my booking. What happened is I was using the microwave for like 6 minutes. And then I saw a smoke. And that's it. Normally, I'm using the microwave oven for about 3 minutes, but that time I used it for 6 minutes. So using it for a long time is not good. And now we are looking for a restaurant. Going to have a breakfast. Going to eat something. If I am not mistaken, this one is going to Warata Village. I'm not sure. For everything here in Australia, you need to book for a service. Doctor, clinic, electrician. If you are a Filipino, for sure you know that in the Philippines you just go to the clinic, you wait in line, and you will be able to get the service that you need. Even in the car service. I don't know in another country. We are now here at the shopping village. There is Kmart here that is open until 12 midnight. I just moved here coming from that side because I need to charge this phone. Okay, we are going back now to the auto electrician. And while I'm getting out and I open my phone, I saw a missed call. So maybe that's the one. Already changed the cable. I am thinking it is going to cost just less than 100, not over $100. More than $100, I'm going to feel a little upset. Because last time when I went to Salamander Bay auto electrician, he just checked while the cable is getting hot. And it costs $30. For just checking and fixing a little bit. So I am hoping this one will be not over $100, 50 something. Hopefully. Those houses that you are seeing, they are, I would say they are traditional kind of houses here in Australia. Even just like this. Traditional. So basically they are wooden. The wall is wooden, but the roof is actually concrete. Mostly. Those are the traditional. And these are the modern houses here. Okay, so I'm back here in the van, and he already changed it. And we are now here in Kotara. Particularly here in JB Hi-Fi. And changing that cable, it costs $176. So here's the tax invoice. So basically, the consumable, the cable that they use, it costs $23.64. But what is expensive is the labor hourly rate is 1 hour is 136.36 plus 10% GST, so total 136. And so the total for that service is $176. So electrician, auto electrician, they are rich. But you know, it's okay. I said a while ago that I am going to feel bad and I'll be upset if it's more than $100, but actually I'm not upset. It's okay. So I just came from inside the JB Hi-Fi. Yeah, I'm actually tempted to buy the headphones. Yeah, headphones. But they're expensive. We are now here in Whispered Kutara. I'm going to eat in the Filipino, the one with the spaghetti. Burger Point.
We're filming inside.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
And we are now here in the Burger Point. I'm going to eat spaghetti and chicken. Okay, we're going now. I actually really enjoyed that meal. Yeah, spaghetti and chicken. Yeah, that's a good combination for me. Even if without rice, chicken and spaghetti is already a good combination. Very common in the Philippines. In KFC, there's no spaghetti, but yeah, in McDonald's in the Philippines, in Macas in the Philippines, there is spaghetti and chicken meal or chicken rice meal.
A little confused. Retirement not working. Well, these are all just other jobs people want. If you could do your dream job, what would it be?
Yeah, that's why I said if when you retire, but then want to keep that bank account ticking over and working a bit, but doing. Yeah.
Okay, Kim, what's your plan?
Well, I think my dream job would really suit retirement.
Yep.
So it's actually my retirement job, and that's to be a bingo caller.
I love it. Have you ever done it?
I have actually, a little sort of country town, little get together. They do like a little friendly one, and I talked the lady into letting me do it there, but she didn't let me get all the way through because my calls weren't too appropriate apparently.
Can you give us one of your calls that maybe is on the mildly inappropriate side, but appropriate enough for on air?
All right, well, off the top of my head, number 16. Please 16, never been kissed, but pushing a friend.
Okay, we are here in Nelson Bay, Salamander Bay actually, and I'm going to put gas.
Entering time-lapse mode.
Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is already 8:28 and yeah, I just came from the place where I sleep, and at the moment we are here at the petrol station. I'm just going to grab something to eat for breakfast. Going to the sports center. I'm going for a run and then swim. Oh, it is actually closed over that side. They are cleaning. I don't know if they are coming here. I don't know. This cappuccino. This is $2.50, and this is $5.50. I initially thought of going to McDonald's, but it is going to be over $10 for a meal. Oh, if you come here in Australia, if you are new here in Australia, one of the first thing that you're going to notice is this one. Yeah, meat pie. This is very popular. This is everywhere. Another thing is, yeah, different flavors of meat pie. There's mushroom, there's just mincemeat. Yeah, different curry also. Oh, this is cheese and the beef. You see the cheese melting. It's my lips, I'm on fire. You're the only one I ever desire. All the lights down low make the world go slow as we move into the night. It gets crazy. It's the feeling that you know when you leave me. I just wanna fall in love with you, baby. Wanna take forever tonight, and this love in this moment forever. I'm gonna give you all the love that I got. That guy actually came here, approached me. He said he came for a chat because he thought that I am here for the pickleball. Yeah. Oh, those guys that are cleaning, they are actually cutting the trees. Yeah, I'm ready to go for a run. There are lots of cars in here now. Yeah, so basically, yeah, the people, a lot of them now, they are playing the pickleball. They are about maybe on their 60s. Yeah, this is where the people was cleaning a while ago. But they are actually still working over that side near to the tubugan. So once again, this pickleball is kind of a lawn tennis or table tennis. I said table tennis because they are using racket like those on table tennis. Yeah, I also say that it's like a lawn tennis because they are playing it in the court like that, lawn tennis court. When I was on my elementary days, I'm actually working in the tennis court. Yeah, picking the ball and giving it to the player, giving it back to the player. Yeah, and the player, they gave us money. We're now crossing to the other side of another playground. Big. I don't know, but yeah, the toilet in this area, they're always closed. There is a toilet over there, but I tried one time, but it's closed. And you know, I actually been inside of that bush. Yeah, on my first few years here in Nelson Bay, I explored already inside of that bush. Yeah, there are different walking trail, ending up to different residential area, like here also, even all the way to the beaches. Yeah, really nice. It's safe to walk inside that bush. It is not scary like what we know when we are before in other country. When I was before in Dubai, I heard Australia is dangerous for animals, but yeah, it's not dangerous for animals. If you go inside the bush, there's nothing. Kangaroo, they are not scary. Kangaroo is friendly. There is no tiger, there is no lion. Yeah, there's no dangerous animals here in Australia. There are spiders, but yeah, you always see spiders. They are safe. You can easily avoid them if you want. Yeah, snakes. I've seen one snake one time when I was walking. I mean, when I was riding my bike, going to work. But it's a green snake, and green snake is not poisonous, I heard. Yeah, but I don't want to see a snake. I don't really want to see a snake. Oh, the tree just pulled up. Yeah, this area, this one is like a real running area, sprint area. Every afternoon there are lots of people here playing, or maybe that's part of the physical education of the students here. I actually can attach this camera here. If this is metal, it is going to attach here. Yeah, just like now, it's like that. Nice. Yeah, and I'm going to run. Yeah. Going this way or going this way first? Let's go this way. You know, one round is really tiring. But I need to do more. The video footage while running must be good because this camera is having a gimbal, a built-in gimbal. Yeah, so the video must be smooth. Yeah, that's the one that I'm telling you. That other side is also a playground. And another thing that I'm telling you is that inside of this bus there are different walking trail. Yeah. In the future, I am again going to walk inside of that. And that's it. I'm going to take a little rest and then we'll go for swimming.